Variable valve timing and lift electronic control, or VTEC. It's in this engine, and it is a major staple of the Honda culture that is wildly popular, and we're going to talk about it on today's episode of Tech Talk. So if you've ever been riding in a Honda, or maybe next to one at a red light, and they take off and you hear that signature sound, it's the VTEC kicking in. But do you actually know how it works? VTEC varies oil pressures to shift between different cam profiles. At higher speeds, the cam profile allows for greater valve lift, and in turn this allows more air into the cylinder to help for the generation of more horsepower. VTEC-equipped engines have two rocker arms with their very own low-profile cams for each cylinder, respectively. They have one central rocker arm with its very own high-profile cam that will remain disengaged at lower RPMs. But when you pull away from that stoplight, like you're driving a Maserati, a piston pressurized with oil inside the rocker locks all three cams together and allows for valve lift, and boom, you have your signature VTEC takeoff sound. There you have it. It is a basic rundown of VTEC, or variable valve timing and lift electronic control. If you need assistance with your VTEC, feel free to give the Powertrain Honda helpline a call at 888-842-0023.